Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and this is Aussie Pinoy once again. How is everyone? And you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and then smash that notification bell so you get notified if I have a content that I will upload here on YouTube. And in this video guys, as you can see, our weather is not very nice. It's raining and it's cold. That's why Aussie Pinoy's got the jacket and a Benny, of course, because it's cold. And in this video, guys, I am going to cook arroz caldo. Yes, you know, you're a Filipino, you know what arroz caldo is, yeah? It's a chicken arroz caldo, guys, because it's a bit cold. So hang around and let's do it. I am going to use glutinous rice and just keep on washing it until the water is clear. Then we put that water, half of that pot, and then we soak this glutinous rice for another 20 to 30 minutes while we're doing our other wings. Now I got these chicken wings that I'm going to use. I have this frozen. Going to wash the chicken because it's been frozen. Keep on washing it until make sure it's clean. Yeah, I think it's already clean. And then chop it to small pieces. And while I'm doing this, I have a pot outside on my veranda, on my dirty kitchen. I have a pot with water, bring to boil, and I put that chicken in there so it gets cooked. Just keep on boiling that water while I'm chopping my seasonings, ginger, onion. I'm using a garlic paste. I already have the saffron powder and ground pepper. That's all it is, guys. While my pot is still boiling, I am going to drain my glutinous rice. Make sure there's no much water in it. Just drain it. And I preheat the pan with oil. Start to saute the onion first, and then we follow our garlic and our ginger. And followed our glutinous rice. We keep on sauteing this until it gets dry. Just make sure you just keep on stir it, or use the spatula so it doesn't get burned. If you have a non-stick, it won't get burned anyway. Just keep on saute until the rice is dry. Make sure it doesn't get burned. Now the rice is already dry. It's ready to combine it with our boiling chicken. We just pour the rice into the pot. And this is where we're gonna start. Keep on stirring. Because being a glutinous rice and it gets sticky, so just keep on stirring it. Just make sure it doesn't get burned. You have to keep on stirring it. And our chicken is already cooked. It's very, very tender now. And then we're gonna start our seasoning. Put salt. And we put the saffron powder for our coloring, because I do not have that actual saffron, So I had the saffron powder. And I have a small remaining of our magic syrup. This is optional. It's the last seasoning. And this is ready, guys, for serving. Yes, it's so delicious. It's very simple and delicious. And also I have a fresh eggs come from my chicken shed, which I boiled. I am going to put it into it because this is very yummy. Yeah. 3 eggs will do, boiled eggs. And that's already cooked, guys. And I turn off the heat now. It's ready to serve. Hain na. Yum. And I have herbs, spring onions, fresh from my garden. Kain tayo, guys. At ang aking lemon, guys, sa aking garden. Sa aming garden. Yan. Tayo ng dahon ng mga dahon. Nako, kapagkasarap nito, guys. Kain tayo. It's raining. Dito ko sa veranda namin nagluto. Dito ang dirty kitchen ko eh. Super sarap. Grabe. Thanks for watching, guys. And give me comments down below. Subscribe. Thank you. Super, super sarap talaga, guys. Aking chicken, napakalambot.